there hasn't been any new video recently because I suck at painting cars.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Hi guys! Jacek made the speedrun with the Miata. He did a lot of stuff. Miata is looking pretty decent, but it's okay.
I'm tired of this car.
Looks good.
So a bit happened with the cars recently. Like I said in the beginning, I hate painting cars, so this is something that we are still working on. But in the meantime, well, you can see for yourself. So this is how Mazda looks right now. I painted it badly, poorly, but then I grinded it with a 1200 paper, then 1500, and right now I'm waiting for a polishing compound to arrive, because at the first step I have to use this heavy cut compound with somehow like a medium pad, but it ended, so I'm waiting for the delivery. Once this is delivered, the whole car will be polished, and it should look somehow like this. It's like a only first heavy cut, after that 2500 polish, and it will look medium. So alright, we'll continue insert the glass, as glass is here. We'll change the timing belt and the water pump, as it hasn't been touched yet. And once this is done, only thing left is to polish it. Regarding Zetka, there is a whole new suspension in the front, because it turned out the shock absorbers were very bad. So I replaced them, then replaced all the ball joints some time ago. You could see it on the video. But one last thing that left to be changed is the tie end rods, because they are in bad condition. So I just bought them and we'll replace it as a starter for today. And that car will be ready. And other than that, for E60 we have the complete new suspension with new oil, new filters, and new oil lever sensor, as this is somehow, kind of misbehaving lately. And moving to the MX-5. Well, the interior is finished. This is something that you know from previous episodes, probably. This side is finished, and the other side is being currently made. So all the rust has been removed, and it has been preserved with chemicals. So, like I said, today we'll start with Z3 to change the tie rods. So like I said, there's new shock absorber, Japan parts, and here's our problematic part. The most important thing here is to measure the distance to have the same exact dimensions with the new ball joint, or tie joint, something like that. Toe joint, yeah. Yeah, the dimensions don't matter. So usually I would do it like checking the thread here and distance to center of the nut here, but this may be problematic because in some cases there may be different thread in the new part. So the most safe way is to measure the distance between here, the rubber band, and the center here. So for me it's 26, 27, yeah, 27. So yeah, we have to, of course, this won't be perfect, but 27 is something that we are targeting to. So yeah, bad tire rod, and new tire rod for tough boys. So we have still problem with this one. We'll manage. So Philip's here and the ZK is fucking awful. I hate this part. I cannot unscrew it. So we'll just mount the east of the window. Changing the timing belt. So the radiator has been removed. It's right there. And right now we're unscrewing the valve cover. We have glass in the engine, but we'll manage this. Wyciągnąłeś? Okay, so the glass has been removed from the engine. Looks pretty decent, isn't it?
Yeah.
The timing belt doesn't look very bad as well.
So currently we're stuck with this shitty bolt and we cannot use the pneumatic gun because it's fucking 11 night.
It's late.
It's late. And Jacek is pussy. So Jacek doesn't want to remove this bolt now.
Yeah.
So probably during the day we'll try to replace, but the whole idea to replace the timing belt is quite easy here. So yes, we'll close this baby tomorrow. Hi guys, it's the next day and we had problem with this crank bolt, but finally we managed to remove this bolt and now we will proceed with replacing the timing belt. To remove this bolt we needed to lower this bar to go straight with this pneumatic gun, and that was fine. And here is our professional blockage of the camshaft. So timing belt is on the place with the new water pump. Yeah, it was a bit fun to do that, and now need to put everything back in the place.
So everything has been in place together, and right now it was time to test the engine if the timing belt was set up correctly. Alright, so Mazda is running after the timing belt replacement and water pump, so this is good. I've attached tie rods from both tie rods, inner and outer. One from the ZK. This one was, in a very bad condition, so this is what may be causing the shakes on the steering wheel. So basically, in ZK, the whole front suspension is brand new, and this side has been the same. So yeah, I'm glad I'm replacing it all. So I'm just waiting for new parts. So Mazda is done. It requires only the polishing, which will be done like in the next week after the holiday break. ZK is waiting for two parts, and he have brand new suspension at all. Everything will be brand new here. Mazda is like Mazda, so Krzysiek came and worked a bit. So right now it looks like this. So we have kind of done one cover here, and we'll be next doing the here and the Brook. We'll need to check how it is in English. Then this part, then that part. So yeah, it requires a lot of work, but it will be nice. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video of Boogie Garage. Bye.